Hello and welcome to Canvas Free for Teacher. Instructors and teachers can easily access Free for Teacher by directly logging in from the sign-up page. When getting started, instructors can then access and update their account profile and get to know Canvas a little better through our simple course template. This template will contain a sample page, discussion, quiz and assignment so that instructors can get a feel for the basics. Once you've created a new course, you can create content from scratch or import existing content from Canvas Commons, our learning object repository. Search for your subject and filter by grade level or content type to get exactly what you're looking for in your course, and then import it directly into Canvas. Once you have some content ready, you can organise it through Canvas modules and add additional resources by dragging and dropping directly into the UI as seen here. Upon finalising your content, you can add students to your course manually via email, or you can bypass this step by allowing for a join code in your course settings. This way, you can send a direct link of the course to students, making it easier for them to get started. Make sure to then publish your course so your students can access it and get to enjoy all of the rich features that Free for Teacher can offer for teaching and learning. Create meaningful interactions through Canvas discussions, powerful quizzing in Canvas quizzes, and create a variety of individual and group assignments with flexible submission options throughout your course. These can all be enhanced with media and more through our rich content editor. And while you're at it, be sure to enjoy all the confetti. As an instructor, you can then enjoy time-saving tools like automated feedback or the Canvas Speed Grader, where you can attach outcomes-aligned rubrics to assignments to make evaluating student work easier and delivery of feedback more meaningful. To get the most out of your experience, you can leverage in-app support through Impact by Instructure, which we've enabled in the Free for Teacher environment. This gives context-sensitive support articles directly within the Canvas UI. Additionally, in the global navigation menu, access helpful links like Get a Demo, pricing information, as well as our support ticket submission. Note that support is limited with Free for Teacher, which is specified in our documentation. And speaking of documentation, we have a Free for Teacher user group in the Canvas community, giving educators the chance to exchange ideas and collaborate, while also accessing helpful resources to get started, best practices, and opportunities to find out more information about our paid options. Thank you for your continued support of Free for Teacher, and best of luck in the new school year.